the Philippines contributes less than 1% to the global greenhouse gas emissions. But like other developing countries, we suffer the most from climate change. As I have said before, the main burden of climate action must fall more on those most responsible for this existential crisis, past and present. Human rights, justice, and fairness are principles all our countries pledge to live by. May ASEM partners have gone further and made these principles a guidepost and a goal of their foreign policies. If there is one issue where this principle should be front and center, it is climate change. In the light of the Glasgow and the Philippines repeats its call for climate justice. The world transition to clean energy cannot be at the expense of the developing world's progress. This simply is not right. It is a problem 200 years in the making, from which some countries benefited more than the others. Now we are all on this crisis, past the point of no return. We call on our developed ASEM partners to stay true to their shared values, fulfill commitments in climate financing, technology transfer, and capacity building without political preconditions. We need to do more. Our part in the Philippines certainly will, but those who benefited from our planet the most must do more. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.